Saving money doesn't have to be a chore. In 2025, small changes can lead to big financial wins. Here are 5 smart strategies to grow your savings this year. Tip number 1. Automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit into your savings account every month. It's the easiest way to save without even thinking about it. Tip number 2. Audit your subscriptions. Are you still paying for that gym membership you never use? Cancel unnecessary services to save hundreds each year. Tip number 3. Shop smart with cashback apps. These tools can help you save money on everyday purchases by giving you cash back or finding the best deals. Tip number 4. Meal prep your weekly food. Preparing meals at home is healthier and much cheaper than eating out or ordering delivery. And finally, tip number 5. Open a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer better interest rates, helping your money grow faster. Ready to take control of your finances? Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share these tips with someone who needs them.